Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Maps with your smart home devices for ultimate convenience. The key to this integration is using Google Assistant routines. You can't connect Maps directly to a smart plug, but you can use your location as a powerful trigger. First, open the Google Home app on your phone. Tap on Automations at the bottom, then hit the plus sign to create a new personal routine. Now, for the starter, tap Add Starters. Look for and select Arrives at or Leaves from. Choose your home address or any specific location. This connects the routine to your Google Maps location data. Next, tap Add Actions. Here's where the magic happens. You can now choose what your smart home does. Select Adjust Home Devices. You can now control your devices. For example, when you arrive home, you can set it to turn on the porch lights. Set the thermostat to a comfortable temperature, and even unlock the smart lock. You can also add a media action to start, playing your favorite playlist on a smart speaker. Once you've set all your actions, save the routine. Now, when Google Maps detects you're arriving home, it will trigger this routine automatically. Your house will be ready and waiting for you. And that's it. You've just used your location from Google Maps to create a smart, automated welcome home experience. If you set up a cool routine, let me know what it does in the comments. See you in the next one.